Assalamualaikum. In this video, how to fill color in text in Photoshop or 2A. Step 1. See this text, double click the text and select automatically. Click the color icon and edit fill color. And another way to change image text color, simply quick selection or magic wand tool, select, click multiple and select color. Best way, Ctrl J for duplicate layer, then double click color overlay and add your favorite color. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Add drop shadow.